Imagine your heavy-duty diesel truck is hauling a massive trailer up a long and steep hill when suddenly the dashboard lights up with a warning and you feel a sickening drop in power while a thick cloud of black smoke begins to billow out behind you. That is exactly the kind of nightmare you are facing when your car throws a Pi 20 to 0 code, which means your exhaust after-treatment fuel injector eye is stuck in the closed position. This is a generic Obd2 powertrain code, so it can hit you whether you are driving a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter or a heavy-duty Chevrolet Silverado, and you need to take it very seriously because it affects your entire emissions profile. Your exhaust after-treatment system is basically a high-tech chemistry laboratory tucked under your chassis designed to neutralize those nasty nitrogen oxide gases before they ever hit the atmosphere. It uses a complex combination of a diesel oxidation catalyst, a diesel particulate filter, and sometimes even an ammonia slip catalyst to keep things running clean. The heart of this operation is the reductant injection system where the exhaust after-treatment fuel injector sprays diesel exhaust fluid into the exhaust stream at the perfect millisecond to keep the temperature stable and the filtration optimized. The designation tells you that there might be more than one of these injectors in your specific system. When that injector stays shut, your powertrain control module detects an improper voltage that is way outside the normal expected range, and it goes into a panic mode because it can no longer maintain the exhaust quality it was programmed for. You will notice your fuel efficiency tanking faster than a lead weight, and your engine performance will suffer as the system struggles to breathe. Now, before you go out and buy a whole new injector, you should check the basics like making sure your diesel exhaust fluid reservoir is not simply empty or that you are not using low-quality fluid. If the tank is full, then you need to grab your DVOM and start hunting for burnt wires or corroded connectors in the harness, because these parts are constantly exposed to extreme heat and road grime. You can use your diagnostic scanner to try and manually command the injector solenoid to open, and if you do not hear a solid click while your meter shows you have 12 volts of power, then that injector has likely failed internally and needs to be replaced. It is a severe code because ignoring it can lead to your entire after-treatment system getting permanently clogged with soot, and that can cost you a small fortune to replace compared to a simple injector swap.